Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Vita Rahayu Fernanda. In this video, I can explain about advantage, disadvantage, and implementation of independent curriculum in current education. I can provide general information about the advantage and disadvantage of curriculum that can be applied in an educational context. Advantage of a good curriculum. Number 1. Relevant to current needs. A good curriculum must be relevant to current developments, technology and societal needs so that students can acquire relevant and useful skills. Number 2. Pay attention to individual diversity. An inclusive curriculum must pay attention to student diversity, including learning styles, interests, and abilities, so that each student can develop optimally. Number 3. Encourage creativity and innovation. A good curriculum should encourage students to think critically, creatively, and innovatively, so that they can develop the skill necessary to face future challenges. Disadvantage of an ineffective curriculum. Number 1. Irrelevant. Curriculum that is outdated or irrelevant to needs of society and the world of work can hinder student development. Number 2. Too dense. A curriculum that is too dense with material can make students feel stressed and reduce time for exploration, problem solving, and developing non-academic skills. Number 3. Not inclusive. A curriculum that does not pay attention to student diversity can use gaps in learning achievement and disadvantage students who have special needs. Effective curriculum implementation in education. Number 1. Adequate teacher training. Teachers need to be given adequate training to implement the curriculum actively, so that they can guide students well. Number 2. Use of educational technology. The use of educational technology can help in implementing an innovative and interesting curriculum for students. Number 3. Continuous evaluation and improvement. It is important to continuously evaluate curriculum implementation to correct weakness and ensure that educational goals are achieved well. Effective curriculum implementation must also take into account the local context, student needs, and challenges that exist in the education system. Implementation of an innovative curriculum oriented towards student independence in education. If independent curriculum refers to the concept of a curriculum that gives students freedom and independence to organize their own learning. Here are several aspects that may be related to the implementation of an independent curriculum in education. Number 1. Increased student independence. The independent curriculum encourages students to take a more active role in their learning process. This can be done by giving students the freedom to choose project, topic, or learning method that suit their interests and needs. Number 2. Development of critical and creative thinking skills. An independent curriculum can focus on developing critical, creative, and innovative thinking skills through a learning approach that emphasizes exploration, collaboration, and problem solving. Number 3. Project-based learning. Implementation of an independent curriculum in education can involve a project-based learning approach where students are involved in relevant and meaningful projects that allow them to learn through experience. Number 4, appropriate mentoring support. It is important to provide appropriate support and guidance for students in facing the independent curriculum. Teachers and educators need to be effective facilitators in supporting students in their learning process. Number 5, formative evaluation. Formative evaluation can be used to provide constructive feedback to students about their progress in implementing the independent curriculum. It can also help teachers to adapt their learning approaches according to student needs. Implementing an independent curriculum in education can bring benefits increasing student engagement, developing relevant skills, and preparing them to face future challenges. However, it is also important to pay attention to specific challenges and needs implementing the independent curriculum. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.